Pele, the man. And Arsenal, the Premier League leaders, they now Martinelli in the space vacated by Lamptey. The block by Duncan will come through. And barely a minute on the clock when Bukayo Saka is able to give Arsenal the lead. Goodness gracious me, there's coming out of the blocks.
Defensively, Brighton at home have been really solid, just consider
league leaders. Martinelli, Zinchenko forward, and denied by Sanchez.
What about that for a turn? Side up top there.
Lallana, Trossard. Well, it was nearly a good batter. He scuffed it slightly, took a touch, and it's behind for a corner.
Yeah, awkward. Sometimes the keeper.
Near post birth. Oh, Rams. The cavalry's arriving. Still, that may not be enough. It's Martinelli.
Money. I don't think Brighton fans would agree, but a little nutmeg in there was.
As he kept himself on side here, Saka, he may well have done, but Dunk was across. Corner given, so he was on. Twelve conceded in 15. Brighton with their latest attempt to trouble that Arsenal. If Brighton can turn this round, they go. Saka floats it in. Gilmour got his head to it. Odegaard, it bobbles in! The captain leading by example, and Arsenal substantially leading away into 2023.
The second half is important. I think if they see that out, then I think they'll go on and score at least.
Chasing pack, we'll hope that there is in that munch. Here's Martinelli, up against Lamptey, drawing the save, but that's not enough. And Eddie Nketiah, well, he won't get too many simpler than that, but the numbers are good. It's 2 and 2 for him, and it's 3 for Arsenal. Colwell can get there, slightly panicky touch from him due to the press. Gross slides it into Mitoma. Lovely build-up from Brighton and a very smart finish from Karo Mitoma. Dunk goes direct and Gross was not far away.
Bye.
Lovely ball that is. Martinelli in behind Lamptey. Martinelli finds a way through, restores the 3-goal cushion, and that is how to quieten the noise at the Amex Stadium. That is how to quell the comeback, and that is how to assert your dominance at the top of the... Didn't get that quite right. Ferguson! Well. If nothing else, that's a lovely moment for 18-year-old Evan Ferguson.